ready to turn your WhatsApp into a 24/7 sales machine. Let's dive into setting up an automated e-commerce chatbot on Wati. First, head to your Wati Dashboard. If you don't have an account, sign up. It's a game changer for e-commerce businesses. Next, click on the Flow Builder. This is where the magic happens. Think of it as your chatbot's brain. Now, let's design a conversation. Start with a welcome message. Drag and drop a text block to greet customers. Add some personality. Something like, "Hey there, welcome to our store. How can I help you today?" Then, add a question block. Ask customers what they're looking for. Like, are you interested in shoes, shirts, or pants? Connect each option to specific product categories. Time to connect your products. Create product cards with images, descriptions, and prices. Integrate them within the chatbot using the Wati API or product feed. Upload. Don't forget about order management. Set up automated messages for order confirmations, shipping updates, and tracking information. Keep your customers in the loop. Personalize those interactions based on their previous purchases or browsing history. Use the chatbot to recommend relevant products. Finally, track your results. Wati provides detailed analytics on customer interactions, sales conversions, and bot performance. Use this data to improve your chatbot strategy. That's it. You've set up your automated e-commerce chatbot on Wati. Now you can start automating customer support, driving sales, and enhancing the shopping experience on WhatsApp, all while you sleep. Good luck.